Welcome to Bianca Townhouse with 2 or 3 bedrooms. Lot area 45.50. Floor area is 62.39. Living area, kitchen area and dining area, toilet and bath with provision for heater. And ito po yung ating service area or laundry area. Kitchen area with built-in cabinets, spacious living area. Akyatin po natin sa taas, guys. Yan, ating hagdanan. May hallway natin. Yan, bedroom 1. Yan, bali, bedroom 2. Yung ating pinaka-master's bedroom. Toilet and bath with bathtub. Yan, with glass partition. And ito po yung ating master's bedroom with built-in cabinet, provision for aircon, and ating view with balkonahe or terrace. Yan, pwede po kayo maglagay ng chairs